In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add text in Krita. So I have an image here. As an example, I will be adding text. First, you're gonna click on this text tool here. After you click on it, you will select the portion where you want to add text. So I'm just gonna choose here. Now this window will pop up. Let's first edit this by making sure I have a good size. I'll choose, for example, 50. I'll choose a color like let's see, orange. Make sure to make it bold, and I could choose also like text style if you want here, but let's just keep it at the same selection. So if I type something here, like for example, final product, now I click save and close it, and you notice it's too small, so I think I might have to hold on. I definitely need to edit it. It's too small, so I have to choose this and then increase it by 70. Okay, that should be good, and I should be able to transform it here. There you go. Now this should help me maneuver it, and you can basically edit it if you click on it twice. Hold on, you have to click here, text, then click twice. Now you should be able to edit it, or just add more text if you want, and that's basically it. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you.